How to troubleshoot common issue in FOXTEL GO. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to troubleshoot common issues in FOXTEL GO. Now troubleshooting common issue in FOXTEL GO can help ensure a smooth viewing experiences. Here are some of the steps to troubleshoot common problem. First of all, ensure that your device is connected to stable and reliable internet connection. Poor connectivity can cause buffering or playback issues. So for that case, you can either switch over to Wi-Fi or maybe mobile data. And apart from it, you can also make sure that the app that you're using the latest version of your FOXTEL GO app. In order to make sure, for that case, head over to your respective Play Store and then on the search box, go ahead and type in FOXTEL GO app. Instead of open if you see update, that means you have to update it, and after updating you should be able to get the latest version of FOXTEL GO app. And sometimes if you're having some temporary glitches, then you can try restarting the app by completely closing the FOXTEL GO app, or you can also try force closing it and then disabling it. It should be able to fix the issue. If restarting the app does not solve the issue, you can also try restarting your device. This can help clear temporary files and refresh the device's system, potentially resolving any underlying issues as well. Now ensure that the FOXTEL GO subscription is active and up to date. If there are any payment issues or account restrictions, it may be affecting your ability to access content through FOXTEL GO. However, after doing some of these procedure, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can also try clearing your cache. For that case, you have to long press on your FOXTEL GO account, and when you press on the app, it's going to take you to the app info page. From there you can go to stores and cache, and likewise you can go ahead and clear cache, and that should be able to fix your issue. Now by following these troubleshooting steps, you can address common issues in FOXTEL GO and enjoy uninterrupted streaming of your favorite content. So that's how you can fix some of the common issues in FOXTEL GO. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.